We're taking you through news coming in from Chennai. A shocking knife attack at a Chennai cancer hospital. The doctor at Kalaignur Centenary Hospital was stabbed by a man whose mother was being treated by this very doctor. The attacker, named Vignesh, 26-year-old, was spotted trying to flee the hospital right after he stabbed this doctor on duty. He can be seen trying to dispose of that knife before the hospital security could actually nab him while he was just trying to escape. Tamil Nadu Health Minister, in the meanwhile, M.A. Subramaniam, has triggered this row, claiming 4 North Indians were behind the stabbing. Without actually getting clarity on the issue, he was quick to jump at a conclusion that North Indians were behind this attack on the doctor. He later backtracked to say only one person involved, not the North Indian.
An absolutely heinous crime has occurred in Kalaignur Centenary Hospital in Chennai, and to know the kind of, the actual effect you see over there, this is the kind of blood trail that has been still placed at the location. That was the office of Dr. Balaji, who was the head of the oncology department over here. Cancer patients were being treated at this spot. Here you could also see that the kind of foot trails with blood spots everywhere on this spot, and this has been completely cordoned. We've been informed by the health minister and various officials over here that there was a patient whose son apparently had gone to meet him. Earlier it was said that the actual culprit was a North Indian, but apparently now it has been confirmed that the culprit's name is Vignesh, and he has come over here along with his mother. Vignesh's mother was treated here for nearly 6 months. She has been given various chemos, but she had come on the later stage, and what happened is that she could not be treated anymore, and this apparently Vignesh had held a grudge. He has taken an OP chit and he had gone over there and he had met with the doctor, and there he has stabbed the doctor. Just to know the effect of the stab wound over here, the doctor was stabbed 7 times and he had a major blood loss. And if you want to know what the kind of condition, the blood, that is over there. That is a government duty doctor's blood on the spot. And what happened is that he was immediately taken to the operation theatre. The doctor was already a heart patient, so we've been informed by the authorities that he has sustained multiple injuries to his neck, to his back, to his head, and that Vignesh, the accused, has also been arrested. But just to show you the kind of the heinous crime that has occurred over here, that is raising questions, is what you see on the background over there, the blood spot at this area. And what we've also spoken to the health minister, who says that nobody actually suspected Vignesh, the accused, because he's been over here for nearly 6 months, and he actually for 6 months since he was here for chemotherapy, many people knew him and nobody thought that he would actually do such a crime. But unfortunately he stabbed the doctor, Dr. Balaji, and that is a blood trail of the doctor in this spot. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
வட இந்தியர்கள் யாரோ 4 பேர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டுக்காக வந்து அங்க ஒரு மருத்துவரை ரூம்ல போட்டு அடைச்சு கத்தியால குத்துந்தா சொல்லிருக்காங்க. இப்போ 2 பேரை போலீஸ் அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு. இந்த சம்பந்தப்பட்ட இந்த குற்றவாளியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு 6 மாசம் இங்க அட்டெண்டரா இருந்தவர். அவங்க மதர் இங்க அட்மிட் பண்ணிட்டு அட்டெண்டரா இருந்தவர். அவர் இன்னைக்கு வரும்போது அவர் சந்தேகப்பட வேண்டிய அவசியம் யாருக்கும் இருக்காது. ஏன்னா அவர் சின்னதா நைஃப் புள்ள வச்சுன்னு வர்றது யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. அவருடைய ரெகுலரா அவங்க மதர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டுக்கு கீமோதெரபிக்கு வந்து போயின்னு இருக்கிறதால யாருக்கும் சந்தேகம் வரல. அவர் வந்த ஒரு ரூம்குள்ள இருக்கிற டாக்டர் போய் இது மாதிரி அசால்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
The patient's mother has been infected with cancer. She's a cancer patient. She's been taking treatment here for the last 6 months. After here, he has shifted his mother to a private hospital. There, the doctors have misguided him, so he's come back. He's come back here. He's had a conversation with the Dr. Balaji for half an hour, and this incident has happened. This is definitely concerned person has been arrested. The legal action will be taken.
It's a very, very unfortunate incident, and he is battling for his life in the ICU. There's been a repeated argument or demands from the doctor community that they need protection. They are saving lives, but their lives are not protected. And this is not only in Tamil Nadu, but all the other states as well. There had to be an end to this. This has to be put to end. Even though we have made some laws, stringent laws in the parliament as well, even recently also we made some laws, but it's not been enforced and there's no awareness created. So I think the state government and the central government have to take cognizance of this very, very important issue.